Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see the deleted follow request on Instagram. Let's get started. Open up Instagram application in your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon right over here. Inside here, tap on the three line icon. Now tap on Account Center. Inside here, scroll below, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Then tap on Export Your Information. Then choose your Instagram account. Just like that, tap on Export to Device. Then tap on Customize Information. Scroll below again. And here, you need to go ahead and simply uncheck all of these options and check only this option that says Followers and Following. After that, tap on Save. Tap on Start Export. And just like that, type in your password and then tap on Continue. After that, you have to wait for Instagram to prepare your download. This might take a few minutes, and once it's ready, all you have to do is simply tap on download. After downloading, you can open the file and you'll be able to see all of your past and deleted follow requests under the followers and following section. That's it. That is how you can see deleted or old follow requests on Instagram. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.